All right, so this first one I've never actually tried before because I wanted to do it on camera. I wanted an honest and truthful reaction. Basically how it works is I've got a glass of water here. I have a pie plate, which I'm gonna place over top. I have a toilet paper roll, place over top of that, and I'm gonna put an egg on top of that. Now, how the experiment works is it tells me that the way physics is, if I hit the pie plate out of the way, the egg will fall into the water no matter what, because science. And I'm more than happy to believe it, but it's gonna be with my own eyes. I'm sorry, I have such a hard time believing this is gonna work. The experiment instructions say hold your dominant hand 6 inches from the pie plate. I'm so nervous. And then you wanna swat it, and you wanna swat it hard enough so that the toilet paper roll gets knocked out from under the egg and the egg drops in the glass. Okay, let me get, I just don't want any, I don't want any drag. I don't want air drag, you know? 3, 2, 1. I hit that so hard. That was cool. Let's do it again. Okay, so I'm just on cloud 9. We've upped the ante now, so I'm gonna get 3 eggs onto these toilet paper rolls. Everybody ready? Okay, for science. 3, 2, 1. On to the next experiment. For my next trick, I'm gonna show you how to conduct electricity through cornstarch. So I've got a 1/4 cup of cornstarch here that I'm gonna add a little bit of vegetable oil to, and we're gonna stir that until the mixture thickens. So now I have blown up a balloon and I'm gonna get it all staticky. Okay, and then you take a little bit of cornstarch of the mixture and pour it. Whoa, now we got some movement. Do you see what I'm talking about? Does anybody see that? I mean, it's not much, but it's science. For this final one, we are gonna make some sugar crystals. Now, you've probably seen these at candy stores. They're super simple to put together. So you're just gonna need a few wooden skewers, some clothespins, 3 cups of water, 7 to 9 cups of sugar, some flavoring of your choice, and a couple tall, narrow glasses. First thing we want to do is clip the wooden skewers so that they hang down inside the glass about 1 inch from the bottom. Now we want to pour our water into a large pan and bring it to boil. Then we're going to pour in a 1/4 cup of sugar at a time and let it dissolve. This is going to take a while, and the sugar is going to dissolve slower each time you add another 1/4 cup. But ideally, you want to add as much sugar as you can and have it be dissolved in the water. It's going to turn really thick. Then once no more sugar will dissolve, you're going to take it off the heat and let it cool for 20 minutes. Then what I want to do is divide the sugar water mixture between 3 jars, and I'm going to dye them a different color and flavor them however you like. So I'm doing peppermint in the green jar and almond in the blue and leaving the orange peachy color just plain. Now I'm gonna take my skewers and using a couple clothespins, I'm gonna just let it hang above the bottom of the jar. Cool, and now these are ready to grow. It's gonna take kind of 4 to 7 days to actually see something worth pulling out, but it is worth it. Okay, and these are them after, what has it been, 5 days? You can leave them longer and they are going to grow more, but I'm just a little bit too eager. So I'm gonna take off the clothespins. And you'll notice this like hard top form, so I got a butter knife to try and cut through. Okay, so we're just gonna leave them to dry. I've just got a little paper towel here. Oh yeah. Look at that color. Oh, I love them so much. And there you have some really cool things that you can do, experiment with at home with food. Thank you so much for watching. If you like these videos, you should let me know by pressing the like button, and I will see you next time.